Now we are discussing about agricultural options. In that, today we are discussing about palm trees. What is the what is special about the palm tree? Depending on the species, some plants can live for more than a century. That means the palm you plant might outlive you. There is also recent evidence that at the cellular level, palms may indeed be the oldest living trees because their cells are not replaced with new cells, as is the case with other trees. Next point is, what is the most common type of palm tree? The most common type of common of the group and one of the most popular palms in tropical and subtropical landscaping is Cominga miana, and king palm is a fast growing type of palm tree that can reach 40 feet or taller and 40 feet taller, 40 feet or taller and 15 feet wide. And next point is, what are five uses of palm tree? Palm tree uses: palm oil, beverages, construction crafts, wax, some and then wax of the best wax so available for scented candles come from palms leaves. And next point is, what are the three benefits of palm tree? It can fight cancer, it increases eyesight, reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease, promotes lactation, and helps in maintaining healthier skin, hair, and nails. And where is next point is, where is famous for palm trees? Elchi is world famous for its cornucopia of palm trees, and the best place to see them would be to head to the Palmiral di Elchi, which contains more than 11,000 palm trees, mostly date palms, where legend has it that around 300 years ago there would have been nearly 2 lakh trees here. And next point is, where do palm trees grow best? The research also showed that palms were more abundant in weather areas with less fertile soils and shallower groundwater. And next point is, how long do palm trees live? 70 to 100 years. How long do palm trees live? That means palm trees, that is Ericaceae, of more than 2,000 species, are one of the longest living trees. They have a lifespan of 70 to 100 years, growing in their natural environment. And next point is, do palm trees grow fruit? What fruit grows on palm trees? Arguably the most common fruit that grows on palm trees is coconuts. But did you know palm trees also provide a number of other delicious fruits? With the right species, you can enjoy dates, peaches, and even acai. And next point is, do palm trees need a lot of water? Most palm trees will only require watering only if the top 2 inches or so. If the soil has dried out, palms do most of their growing during the summer's warm months, so they will need a lot of moisture to keep up with the expelling of energy they require to grow. And next point is, what are the uses of palm plant? Palm oils. Some 80% of the palm oil is used for human consumption, and margarine, basic vegetable fat, food oil, cooking oil, and specialist fats. It is also used to make derivatives for industrial use, fatty acids, soaps and cosmetics, industrial soaps, inks, resins, methyl esters, and so on. And next point is, what is it called? A palm tree. Tropical tree of the order Palmae, the date palm, Middle English palmy, from Old English palma, Old French palme, both from Latin palma, palm tree, originally palm of the hand. The tree so called from the shape of its leaves, like fingers of a hand. Next point is, what are the benefits of palm trees at home? Like many other Indian indoor plants, The lush green areca palm has benefits that are worth mentioning. Air purifying properties, increases oxygen. Areca palms improve indoor humidity, creates positive energy in Feng Shui. That is a China astrologer. He is Feng Shui is saying that creative positive energy will come by these palm trees. And areca palms are low maintenance and easy to care for, a blessing in modern decor. And next point is what climate is best for palm trees. Unsurprisingly, the researchers found that most types of palms are clustered in tropical zones. Most palms flourish in areas with mean annual temperatures between 64 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit, but a few hardy varieties don't mind damp, cold feet. And next point is do palm trees grow fast? While several different palm trees can grow as much as 2 to 3 feet per year, others can take several years to reach their peak of only 5 feet. And next point is do palm trees have deep roots? However, palm trees have a fibrous root system, not a taproot, and experience at numerous courses in Arizona and Southern California reveal that palm trees' roots and extend easily over 100 feet from the base of the tree. Next point is what is the benefit of palm leaves? The leaves are also used for the treatment of cancer, cardiovascular diseases, kidney diseases, and wound healing. The sap also has been found to be rich in phytonutrients that can be used to treat various diseases. And next point is what is inside a palm tree. Cut a palm tree down and you will see teeny circular vessels distributed evenly throughout the trunk. These are vascular tissues, xylem and phloem and phloem. Stem cells lining these vessels produce anomalous secondary growth to thicken young trunks. But once the trunk reaches its maximum diameter, this no longer occurs. Next point is what is palm oil so valuable? Palm oil is very productive crop. It offers a far greater yield at a lower cost of production than other vegetable oils. Next point is palm good for hair? Palm oil is not only useful in food, it is good for your skin and hair too. It is found in many soaps, shampoos and cosmetics where the nutritional profile makes it an essential source of vitamins for the body. And next point is do palm trees grow from seeds? Palms are unique among woody ornamental plants because with relatively few exceptions, palm species can only be propagated from seed. This is the information regarding palm trees. So it will be useful for food oils and as well as skin and hair also. So and cardiovascular diseases and this will be very useful. So it is very good. Palm trees are very useful to the human beings. So it is very good to produce and to produce. So it will be this palm trees formation will be useful to so many plant growers and farmers also. So that this information will give a fundamental basic idea. By that they will be in trial to do all this in a good way. Wishing you all the best.